Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I have an exciting announcement for you. We have a street legal / turn signal kit in stock from WD Electronics for the all new Z10 2-seater and Z10 4-seater. Let's check it out. So cool thing about this kit, it's going to tie into the stock headlights and taillights. Want to see how it looks on the front? Very nice. So you're going to utilize existing lighting that's already on the Z10. What does the column mount look like? Come check this out. So with the column mount, there's no holes to drill. You don't have to hack up the column. You're going to utilize some bolts that are on the bottom, and it mounts up very nice. So up will be right, down will be left, center will be off, just like your typical car. Now we also have the horn button down here, and with the horn button, nice loud horn and hazard switch. So with the hazard switch, you're going to be able to see up on the dash that we have installed the indicator lights. Now the placement of these indicator lights can be completely up to you. This is where we've selected to put them and is also recommended from WD. Around the back side, I love all of the CFMOTO lighting. It's nice, it's bright, it's LED, and you can see how no holes are drilled in the back. It's utilizing all those bright LEDs there on the rear. And to top it off, WD has an amazing license plate mount as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. So with the WD kit, you have all those bright LEDs on top of it. It does come with a custom bracket that's going to mount 2 existing holes on the Z10. We do have these kits in stock as of the date of this video. Now, I don't think they're gonna last long with the amount that we have in stock, but give us a call, 435-427-3338, or you'll be able to click on the link below to order yours today here at Big Pine Sports. Get the order in by 1 or 2 o'clock. It's gonna ship out the same day. If you have any questions, give us a call as well. For those of you here in Utah, all you need to add on top of the WD Street Legal Kit are mirrors, and you are set. If you have any questions, again, give us a call and we will hook you up. Have a great day, everybody. WD, we appreciate you producing a good quality kit in a timely manner for all the Z10 and Z10 4 owners out there. Goodbye, everybody.